What we have here is a MacBook Pro that got stepped on right there, and it killed the hard drive, and it also disconnected the keyboard so that it doesn't have a keyboard anymore. So you have to take the keyboard off, exposing the circuit board. There's the motherboard. Now, because it doesn't have a keyboard, there's no way to start it except with a Swiss Army knife. And you have to hit it right at the right spot on the circuit board. Let's see if I can hold this steady enough over the spot on the circuit board. There's the spot. Okay, let's see if we can get this in focus. Back off a little bit. Okay, got to hit it right at the right spot on the circuit board with the knife. Takes a few tries sometimes. There it goes. You see the fan? There it goes. This is running without a hard drive or a battery or a keyboard. There's where the hard drive would go. There's where the battery would go. And there's the keyboard over there. Good thing Macs boot from external drives. This wouldn't work at all. There we go. OS 10 in all its glory.